What's good, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So as you can see right now, we have signal strike on TradingView, and I'm using my mobile phone and we don't have PC and stuff like that. So as you can see, the signals are coming in 100% accurate and stuff like that, and of course we're also getting the signals in real time. As you can see, this is the last signal that we got right there, sell signal, and it came in real time, and the price has been going down. You know what I mean? So we're looking at 5-minute time frame. Let's try to switch to 15 time frame and then see what's happening. So same thing applies right here on 15 minutes time frame. As you can see that we also have a sell signal right here, right? So all the signals are coming in real time, and this is great. I mean, this is what you want to see, you know what I mean? So let's take a look at other pairs, or let me just go back so that you can see how the indicator is performing very well in both mobile PC and of course in mobile phone and stuff like that. And I mean, this is exactly what we've been looking for, because by simply following up the buy and sell signals, we're gonna be accumulating more coins and all our trades gonna be in profits, and this is exactly what you want to see and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So let's take a look at other pairs like Ethereum to USDT and see what we have. So as you can see on a 15-minute time frame, we have got a buy signal right here exactly at the bottom, right here exactly at the bottom, and this is exactly what we want to see. You see, we got a buy signal right here, and the price is going up, and this candlestick is in green. You know what I mean? So if you're going to just follow up this signal, you're going to end up being in profit. As you can see, the price is pushing to the upside as well. So let's take a look at maybe 1 hour time frame, because this indicator works on pretty much all time frames, and not gonna have any issues. As you can see, we still have a sell signal on 1 hour time frame, all right, and 4 hour, you can see that we have sell signal exactly right here at the top. You see, exactly right here at the top. All right, I mean, and these are things that we want to see. We want to get these signals in real time and stuff like that. We don't want to be behind the market. So guys, I just wanted to show you how the indicator works well in both mobile phone and of course a computer and stuff like that. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for the algorithm, as well as helping the channel. And of course, if you want this indicator, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and that's where exactly you're gonna find this indicator. So this is my name is Arthur, guys, and therefore some video, the link is gonna be in the description below as well. Take care.